Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the exact SSD model, firmware version, and whether it is SATA or NVMe. That determines available repair tools. Once identified, back up any readable files now to an external drive or cloud, because deep repair may erase data. Make sure you have the manufacturer's diagnostic and firmware utilities, a stable power source, and a USB to SSD adapter if needed. These items let you run tests and apply firmware safely without risking power interruptions that make recovery impossible. You run the vendor diagnostic to read smart attributes and perform surface scans to see remapped sectors and controller status. This tells you whether the problem is logical or hardware. If the drive reports firmware anomalies, download and apply the official firmware only in recovery or maintenance mode. Never use third-party firmware. Once done, perform a secure erase or factory reset via the manufacturer tool when recommended to rebuild internal tables and over-provisioning. This can restore mapping and stability when corruption. You finalize by reformatting the SSD and running extended write/read verification to confirm stable performance. This proves the repair worked and clears residual errors. If SMART still flags hardware faults or bad blocks persist, stop attempts and pursue the manufacturer RMA or a controlled day recovery service, because continued writes can worsen damage. If issues remain intermittent, make sure to troubleshoot simple causes first. Swap cables, ports, or power sources, because host controller problems often mimic SSD failures and are cheaper to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.